Right, it's past 3 minutes past, so let's get started. Even though there aren't many people here yet, welcome everybody to the February 24th SIG Multicluster call. And on the agenda today, we only have one scrub item, but it's an interesting one. So this was opened by somebody in APAC. So he won't be on the call today, but it's about cluster manager implementation patterns and essentially how plugins work with respect to some of the status fields and whether we want a single controller that manages everything, well, that manages all the rights to the status fields, or we want to delegate one or more of the status fields to some of the plugins. And there's a detailed list of questions here. I'm not sure any of us present in the call has actually used cluster profile and a cluster manager in great detail yet. So any thoughts? Okay, I'll take that as a no.
Yeah, no thoughts. We're not really using it as is. We are, at least me and my colleagues are following along, but we're just not using it yet. So we don't really know which direction from a end user perspective would be the best fit.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah,
the questions are valid. So yeah, it's just a matter of getting more input, I suppose.
yeah, exactly. And in particular, it seems to me that this is more a series of questions for implementers rather than end users. I mean, it should be transparent for all the end users. It shouldn't matter who's writing to the status fields. Well, it won't ever be the end users if they're only ever reading from them. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's for implementers, but there are no implementers to talk about it. So
Currently, yep.
yeah,
Well, yeah,
most
or
of the people
yeah,
with the questions and the people with the answers aren't here. So it's pretty.
exactly. Yep. Yep. So, so there's nothing else on the agenda. So I guess if nobody else has anything to discuss, we can make it a very, very short one. Okay, well, thanks anyway for joining, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of the day, rest of the week, and I'll see you next time.
See you next time. Extremely efficient.
Yep. Bye.